Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Zoho Bigin CRM. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if we talk about Zoho Bigin CRM, it is specifically designed for small businesses and startups that need an easy-to-use, lightweight CRM solution without the complexity of larger platforms. If you're looking for a simple way to manage your sales pipeline, track customer interactions, and stay organized, Zoho Bigin offers a great starting point. It is built for teams that want to hit the ground running with minimal setup and training. The interface is clean, intuitive, and straightforward, allowing users to quickly set up their pipelines, add contacts, and start managing deals. One of Bigin's standout features is its pipeline management, which lets you visually track the progress of deals through customizable stages. Additionally, Bigin offers essential features like contact management, email integration, task management, and basic automation, all designed to help small businesses stay on top of their sales activities. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. While Zoho Bigin is great for small businesses, it does have its limitations in terms of advanced features. If your business is growing rapidly or requires more sophisticated CRM capabilities, such as advanced analytics, deep customization, or complex automation workflows, you may find Bigin lacking. It's designed to be a streamlined, entry-level CRM, so while it covers the basics well, it might not meet the needs of more demanding users. Another aspect to consider is that while Bigin integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products, which is a plus if you're already in the Zoho ecosystem, its integration options with non-Zoho tools are more limited. This could be a drawback if your business relies heavily on third-party applications that aren't part of Zoho's suite. In comparison to other CRM solutions, Zoho Bigin is ideal for small businesses and startups due to its simplicity and ease of use. However, if you need advanced features like those found in larger CRM systems, you might want to consider alternatives. For instance, larger CRM platforms often offer more advanced analytics, deeper customization options, and more complex automation workflows, which can be beneficial for rapidly growing businesses. On the other hand, if you're already using other Zoho products, Bigin's seamless integration can be a significant advantage. It allows you to manage your sales pipeline and customer interactions efficiently within the Zoho ecosystem. In conclusion, Zoho Bigin CRM is ideal for small businesses and startups looking for a simple, affordable CRM that's easy to set up and use. It's particularly well-suited for teams that need a basic tool to manage their sales pipelines and customer interactions without the bells and whistles of more complex systems. However, if your business requires more advanced features or plans to scale quickly, you might need to consider a more robust CRM solution down the road. So that's basically all about Zoho Bigin CRM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.